You've not seen much of me today, or at least not my face. I've been keeping my head down and trying to get orders done. And I also dropped Will off at the school. Since they go back on Monday, I don't know if I already mentioned this, his teacher invited him to a little birthday party they're having for one of the girls in his class so that he could kind of get acclimated for a short amount of time before he goes back. So I dropped him off, and in just a few minutes we're leaving to go get him, but also drop Rory off because Rory has some testing she needs to do. And then that'll be it. We will be ready for the kids to go back to school and no more shifting, like tag teaming with their teachers to like drop one off, and which I mean their teachers have been great through all of this, but I will be happy that they are able to be with their classmates and get the school experience again, even if it is with masks, but they are not worried about the masks at all, so the kids are fine with them. So, and the school's been really great about all of this. So I'm gonna do what work I can before I leave again. So one of the things that I love the most about Nespresso is they have their own recycle program where you keep all the pods from your machine, which I've just made coffee, so all that's out. But you keep all the pods and you send them back, and they have a bag that is already addressed to them, and you just fill it up to the line, which we're a little bit below, and drop it off at your nearest UPS drop off. So we really like Nespresso, if you can't tell. So I just took the brownies out of the oven. They look really good. They baked much faster in this tin than they did in the brownie tin I normally would use. But I think they're going to be extra gooey. And then I just finished the peanut butter cookie dough, which I'm going to put in the fridge until tomorrow. And now I'm going to make some gluten-free molasses cookies because we all really like those. And I know my mother-in-law likes those, and they're just really, they make me think of fall. They just taste like fall. So I'm gonna make some of those, and then I'll probably stop there and go back and package some orders. This is something that I like to do when I'm doing more than one batch of something and it has to go in the fridge, like my sourdough or doing more than one type of cookie. I use a dry erase marker and I put on the lid, if it's a plastic or glass lid, I guess, what type of dough it is. So I'm sure I'm not the only one that does that, but I thought I would share. Okay, so this recipe says to use 1 cup of gluten-free oat flour, 3/4 of a cup of sweet rice flour, and 1/4 of a cup of tapioca flour, but I only have the King Arthur's gluten-free flour, which actually has tapioca and rice flour in it, and then I do have the brand of the oat flour that they called for. So what I'm gonna do is use 1 1/4 cup of the oat flour because I really like the flavor of that and the texture it gives, and then I'll do 3/4 of a cup of the other ones. It says to have all of the dry ingredients here. It calls for pepper. I don't want to put pepper in this. I might not put pepper in it because the last time I made molasses cookies, they did not have pepper in them and we really liked them. So okay, I'm gonna get started. This was a custom request from a customer. Isn't it cute? It's a little fox. It's my winter fox, but instead of the scarf that it has in the design, she asked if I could put a Hufflepuff scarf on it, and of course I said yes. I think it's so cute.